So we take a look at number 6, and I'll look at 5, which is the same. And this time all we're doing is changing the variable, right? This time we're going to talk about the number of periods or the number of years, as opposed to necessarily a change in rates, although there is also a change in rates that we have to do, but that change for all three of the problems is going to be consistent. So I've done a couple of them, and it says Essex Biochemical Company has a $1,000 par value bond outstanding that pays 15% annual interest. So I started entering my variables. I've got the par value of 1,000, my yield or yield slash payment, right, is 15% and $150. By the way, how did I get the $150? I guess I should show that. It's just simply equal to my par value times the interest, the coupon rate. And that's why they call it a coupon rate. Actually, in the old days when they had those bonds, when they issued them, if you had a 20-year bond and you got paid interest once a year, you literally tore off your coupon from the bond and put it in an envelope and sent it to the company, and they would mail you back a check then for the interest that was owing. Kind of interesting, huh? Anyhow, the current yield to maturity is 17%. Okay, and so what was the original? I guess it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the original number of years is, because we're just going to put in what they give us, and so this is simply going to change. And again, we're just solving for present value, so we click on that. We find I'm going to go to most recently used, because that's what I'm doing. My rate, I use the years to maturity. My number of periods is 30. My payment, 15, and my future value, 1,000. And I end up with $883.41. Why would, when I do it again, I won't belabor you, but why would this one be worth more than this one? Okay. Shorter term, you're going to get your money back quicker, right, so that you can reinvest it then into something different in this case, right? So even though this is just 4 years and this is 30 years, okay, I'm taking a little less risk here, okay, because I'm going to get my money back in 4 years. That presumably, if the current yields are 17%, I can reinvest it then at that 17%. This person's stuck, kind of. You could always sell that bond again to somebody else, but you're going to be subject to whatever rates are at that point in time. So there you have 10.5 or 10.6 is the same for you guys.